For today's assignment, you are going to be filling in the information at the top first by typing your name here, and the directions say to click and drag the text features word on the line that is pointing at the text feature. If I look right here, I see an arrow for leopard frog. If I think the leopard frog text feature is right here, for bold words, I would put it on the line. You will see all the red lines are where you will be putting the text feature for this assignment. So you will be using every one of these orange boxes to identify the different text features. You will see that you have bold words, highlighted text, title, index, glossary, table of contents, diagram, heading, caption, sidebar, map, and photograph. We want to see what you know about text features and understand that we all have differences in what we know about them, so it'll help us determine what you do and don't know for our future instruction. So go ahead and get started and think about what you already know about text features, and if you don't know one of them, just put it where you think it makes the most sense. And then don't forget to click the submit button at the top.